Hello. Well, today what we're coding, yes, we're here with Fluffy the cat. And hello coders. Basically what we're doing today is we're in part 3. And in all of our other parts we have made the beautiful design with our arrow that can go around over here and also pop back and can leave with only one sprite. We're almost making the perfect joystick tutorial. You know everything. Now, let's see. Now we just need to create distance to the total. We can see the stick power and we can move this. And this is also a sprite. Basically we start out like this. And yes, also, no problem. Blim. Blim. You can still make finer movements within the area. Within the specific area. Unfortunately, our stick power variable is not capable of 25. So, let's do something. We need to just go over here in the code. See the max stick and stick power move stats block? You need to just do this. Move stick power and just do this. Just take the stick power variable, put a set one. Do this set, not fun. Do not do with the fun one. I do not want it. Max stick to what? You might be thinking. Well, actually, we don't use that. It's actually not myself stick power. To you know what? Max stick. Yep. And now let's see how it is. Whoa, stick power is so beautiful. Isn't it? And there we go. It maxes out in 25 honestly, but we could use this controller in games. Unlikely, the power of 25 is better. Better the power where the max power variable reads as 1 and changes. Have a maximum of 1 and the rest of 0. So you know what I mean? We'll just do this. Duplicate this block and put it over here. Just one block below. And we'll take an operator block. We'll take this block over here. Add. Sorry what I did. We'll just do this. We'll just do this. Look. Duplicate max stick. Add it over here. Delete this one over here. And also just divide by stick power. My stick is stick power divided by max stick over here. Save now, and let's see how's our joystick. And now, the value never gets greater than 1. This is so exciting. As you can hear, it's currently raining. But the stick power should also reset too. To do that, we'll basically have to just... Let's see, I'm thinking. Go up the block until you reach over here. And I'm thinking. We'll just do this. Set. That's it. Stick power to, you know what? I'm gonna show you. Not to 0, but basically to this. Wait, you'll get what I mean. Now the stick power resets to nothing when we started. We now just don't need this arrow anymore since we now know. Okay? Don't worry, it's gonna be good now. See? Perfect. Now, we'll just hit in this sprite. Here's where the magic happens. The real magic starts happening. Over here. And yes, I want this sprite to be smaller actually. Smaller. Smaller. Small. And yes, I want a backed up chest for effect. How do you go to blue sky? Like it. Need sun. You don't have to do this, but I just like designs. You just add the sun over here, and there you do. You have quite a good blue sky. Anyways, let's continue. We go back to this sprite, and there's almost no code. This cat will help us test our code. Because actually, we'll just need, and hopefully this sprite and all of its code is just moving its costumes view. It is. If, let's see. We'll take one of these over here. We'll go grab one of our variables over here. And let's see. Power greater than 0. Let's see, what would this do? Point and direction of stick power. Let's see. Oh yes, this tutorial I did forget to do something. I'll fix this. Rename stick direction. Whoa. Now he can go left and right. Whoa, how cool is that? Really? We could also do this. Yes, my direction for my cat is just left and right. Which way do you prefer? Like this? Which way do you think it's better? Like this? Whee! I do like it, but I think there's a better option. I prefer just plain left and right. And you see this? We'll do this. Move. Chant steps. Just kidding. Stick power steps. Let's see what this does. Whoa. This will get us there fast where we need it. You know, Fluffy the cat was so good, wasn't he? He's always a good cat. In fact, I might add a little thing to him. I don't know. Perfect. This ungroup. We only need the helmet. Ungroup. Retrieval map. We do not need none of this. We only need the circle. Victor. Delete. Let's just copy. Paste. Now we need to turn all of these into vectors. Stay. Well, I prefer vectors. Oh. Good, now that all of our costumes hopefully are in vector. Good. Let's continue. This cat is moving. He is moving. This is a good joystick, actually. He always points in that direction. Hey, I might add a jetpack, actually, to him. Jetpack. No. Is there any good costume? Doesn't seem to be one. Well, just using some lining. Then I need both of this to just stay where it was before. Group. Copy. Delete. Wait, delete this. No. Paste. I don't know. You know, like if the computer's moving. Yeah. Copy and paste. Wait, did I press copy and paste? Yeah. Delete. Paste. Don't. This cat must stay in the same position. Copy. Paste. Paste. and save now. Now, so it makes more sense that he can fly. He's now basically flying with more sense. Anywho, we're just gonna do this. Actually, we won't get anywhere fast, will we? I just realized we just need to do this. How will this help? Watch and learn. Whoa! That's a little too fast. We're just like 6 times more speedy. I think we're a little too fast. Let's experiment. Let's see with this. Whoa. And of course restarting it. Whoa. 1 time slower. Let's see how fast can he travel through land. Quite fast. Quite fast. This makes the perfect thing. And the only block you just need is all of this code and all of this. Really, the stick power. Really. Now, did you notice the thumbstick just gets activated even when we just click far away from the controller? Let me show you. See? Now when we're over here, but also when we do this. Yeah, I don't think that should be able to happen. When have you went to a mobile game? What we basically want is this. That only if you touch it around about here, it moves. But how can we fix that? How? You might think. Oh, there's a way. There is a way. There's always a way. It's always so cool. How to do it? Let's see, I'm thinking. How do you think we can do it? It's still continuing to rain right now. Looks like around here. Here, around the northern states. Yeah. Have an idea. Let's see, what should we do? Let's see. We'll have to do something which you will not like that much. Yes. This giant repeat until block will get separated. We'll have to make blocks. I usually don't make blocks very often. Actually, in my videos, I don't like to. But one thing is for mobile games. Okay? So we just need to create this. Stick drag. Stick drag. But do not run with screen refresh. So do not do this. No. Don't press this or this or this or this. Okay? We just need to put it over here. go into control and just add this. Just do this. Repeat until and delete this. Wait until. I'll just do this over here and this over here. And we'll just add this over here. You get what I mean. Let's save now and see. Whoa, problem solved. And does it still work? Oh yeah. Forgot. It never is running. I was joking. I didn't activate it. We still need to do more stuff. Okay? Don't worry. This will be quite fast. And we'll just use this over here. And then we'll just do stick drag over here. Else, wait until not mouse down. Let's see. It doesn't work here, but it works over here. It only happens in a small area. But see on this, it only happens in this small area. We have fixed the problem. Look at this beautiful joystick we have made. Beautiful. Let's just clean up our blocks. Clean up. Save now. I just love it. Clean up blocks. And now that are all blocks, it's all cleaned up. Yes. Now, hopefully, there's about 5 more minutes left before I end this tutorial. But not that tutorial, it's about the video. But hey, better make the most of the short time, because we already made a working joystick prototype. It appears the activation distance is a little bit too far still. Look, still is a little bit too far, and it still detects it. So we could just do like, size. I'll get over here into this right. See the size? Take this off. Add a multiplication one. This one. Add size over here. And by just 0.6. Fix it. 0.6. Because it's a small number. And let's see what this does. Whoa. But look, it's perfectly in here. Only if you're touching the sprite. Oh. This is what I love about coding. You create stuff, you see it happen, and it works. This is a nice joystick we have here. Oh, and with all these variables, this code is very good. Splendid. It works great. Good job. This is excellent for games like Slitherall, but not the kind of games like that you shouldn't go in any direction. Maybe we should have an idea. I have an idea. See this block over here? Oh, I do not like it. I buy. Don't worry, we'll fix it. We'll just need a couple of new blocks. Okay? We will fix it. Okay? There's a better way. If you're making a game like Slither.io or those games, you'll need the code of earlier. But you're probably trying to make more like platformer games and like jumping games, running games, pet games, all sorts of those stuff. Right? Probably you are gonna do it. And let's see, how do we fix it for only it doesn't go up and down, but only this? Let's see, doing the math. Don't worry, I'm doing stick X and stick Y direction. Stick X equals stick powers. Have an idea. We'll just head into over here. See this nice large block? Oh, we'll begin adding for 2 new variables. But I'm also deleting 2 other variables. And also my variable. Sorry, my variable, you're getting destroyed. Bye bye. New variable for all sprites. Stick X. Good. One time I actually tried to make a cloud game, but somehow it didn't work. I thought about making one of those tutorials, but didn't work. Stick Y. Stick. Stick. Good. These 2 new variables, oh, they are so good. But it seems we have stopped in the tutorial. Come back for next tutorial. Bye.